Welcome to this moment of tranquility, where we will cultivate internal peace together. As you listen to and repeat these affirmations, allow yourself to relax, release any tension, and embrace the soothing energy of calmness. You are worthy of peace, and it is your natural state. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Let's begin. I am worthy of inner peace and tranquility. Calmness flows through me effortlessly. I release all stress and embrace serenity. My mind is still and my heart is at ease. I create a peaceful environment within and around me. I let go of all worries and fears. I trust in the process of life, and I am safe. Every breath I take fills me with peace. I am grounded, centered, and fully present. My thoughts are calm, and my emotions are balanced. I radiate peace and invite tranquility into my life. I am connected to my inner self, which knows only serenity. I attract peaceful experiences and loving relationships. I release negativity and make space for calmness and joy. I am surrounded by a calming energy that nourishes my spirit. I choose to focus on the present moment. I appreciate the beauty around me and within me. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose peace. I embrace the stillness within me, allowing it to grow stronger. I am a beacon of peace, radiating love and calmness to those around me. Take a deep breath in, feeling the warmth of peace filling your heart. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension or stress. Visualize yourself in a serene place, surrounded by nature where everything is peaceful and calm. Feel the serenity enveloping you, grounding you in this moment. Know that you can return to this state of peace whenever you need. As you move through your day, carry this energy of internal peace with you. Remember that peace is your birthright and is always accessible to you. Repeat these affirmations daily to nurture your connection to tranquility and invite more calmness into your life. You are peace. You are calm. You are loved. And so it is. Take another deep breath and step into the abundant peace that surrounds you. You are deserving of this inner tranquility, and it is already yours.